Just a little quick disclaimer, if you hear a lot of noise, they doing some work outside, so don't even mind that. Let's get into this unboxing.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Now today, we are doing an unboxing. I just got home and we got a package, so we are going to be doing an unbagging today. I haven't even opened it. Oh my gosh, the suspense is killing me. I want to thank Miss Flower, an Amazon hair company, for sending me this. I believe it's a wig, a lace front wig. Let's look. Okay, so first of all, Miss Flower, like I said, is an Amazon hair company. They shipped this wig. It shipped in like one day. It was like a holiday yesterday, so it took a day longer. But this is what it came in. Came in a lavender bag. Okay. And it comes with a card, a thank you card. And it also has how to measure the hair and frequently asked questions about the hair on this side. It comes inside this plastic bag like this. Uh-oh. You get you a pair of lashes with that. And this is a 13 by 6 body wave, 14 inches. It has a little label right there. And the hair. Okay. The hair doesn't have any smell. It comes in a little net like this. And it have like the little paper protector thingy. And then it have this clip. Oh, it have these plastic clips, I guess, to hold it onto this little foam part. It have the little plastic clips. And this is what we looking at. Okay. And it comes pre-plucked. Let me see if you can see that. It's pre-plucked with baby hair.
Ooh, with baby hair.
This looks really nice. Wow. That's nice. And the hair is really full, and it have a little piece of lace back here. Oh, but it can't do nothing, so it's a track. So anyways, all right, this is the Miss Flower lace front human hair wig. It's a 13 by 6 and it's 9A grade hair, body wave, and it comes pre-plucked with baby hair, as you have seen. This is 14 inches. The cap construction, it have 2 clips right here, and it has 1 clip down here. I'm probably gonna cut those out because clips give me migraines. Yeah, this is the 6-inch part right here. It's a 13, and then it has this 6-inch part in space right here. So you get a lot of braiding space. I'll probably add some braids. Oh, I can't wait. So let me put it on mannequin so you can see what it's looking like. This is how the wig looks on the mannequin head. Here's the front. And I'm gonna show you the sides. I'm gonna give you 360. All right, and once again, check that hairline out. I'm actually surprised at how good this wig looks because the price for this wig is only $64.27. Like, this wig is affordable with a capital afford, lowercase able. Sus, if you try and slay, if you don't know how to plug, here we go. You don't even need to know how to pluck because sis, that hairline is ooh. Come through. Look at this hair. Let me see. Shedding. I got one. Can you see that? One little piece of hair. Yeah, hair. And I yanked that thing hard. I love this. This hair is so pretty. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. Thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.